communicators, this is Arti. So today I'm in a very good mood, so I'll be sharing my food. Wait, no, I will not share my food. I don't share my food with anybody. So I'll be sharing with you a poem in which my father cooks food. He's a very good cook, by the way. So today's poem is dedicated to all the fathers who cook and leave the kitchen in a mess. Ha, ha, ha.
I gave you my heart.
One day, out of the blue, my father entered the kitchen in complete flow and gave all of us a shocking blow. As we came to know that he was going to cook the supper, he ordered my mother out and got ready like a scout. He made his whip as hard as steel and started taking off vegetables peel. He cut the vegetables chip, chop, chip and got the pan ready with its clip. Falling the utensils with a voice that rang, my mother shouted that she heard the clang while igniting the flame. He said sorry for the cling. So I thought of investigating for what he will be plating, but he forbade us to enter the kitchen as the dinner was completely clandestine. In the hall nearby, with all my ears and nose open I lie, struggling to hear some voice. Overpowering that voice came a shattering noise. Oh, I failed again as I saw the vase hit the marble plane. Oh, he came to know, and I started feeling very low. After an hour or so, the cookers whistled, shrieked. We all jumped up joy. If the dinner wasn't ready, it would really annoy. After sitting the table, he called us to the dining room. Oh, it was tasty vegetable mushroom. Seeing the dish, our eyes turned bright. My father asked us to give it a shot as he served the mushroom out of the pot. It tasted yummy and right, and we ate till our tummy was filled up tight. After the dinner and wishes, my mom went to the kitchen to clean the dishes. Entering the kitchen, my mom turned red as there was a complete mess ahead. Hi communicators, this is Arti. I hope you enjoyed the poem that I just told. So basically poetry has been very close to my heart since I was very young, from 4th to 5th to 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th till I am today. I have been writing poetry continuously, and it has really been a very integrated part of my life, and I've always presented myself in the form of poetry. So I felt like it was very important for communicators, as the channel name says, to know about poetry, because it's such a beautiful way to express yourself. Poetry, music, and their art forms, and there have been several poets over the decades who have presented the world with such amazing quality and quantity of poetry that we are reading today, and it's like a blessing for us to read them. They hide such great messages that have been, like the poems which have been written long back, they still hold the essence in today's world. So that is what I feel is very much indigenous about poetry here. Now poetry has been written in several languages, and they've been converted to one and to another, and always there have been attempts not to let the essence of the original writing lose it. So this is all my personal views about poetry, and it's very important aspect of communicating. It's a very important branch of communication, the communication through poetry, through writings. And make sure that you just tell me your favorite poet in the comments down below, and if you have some good piece of poetry, please tag it to me or just write it to me on the email. I'll be very happy because I love poems, and I hope you enjoy the poem that I just told you. Actually, this poem's idea was a little crazy, because like my father, he's a really good cook, but the thing is that whenever he goes in the kitchen after he completes his cooking and all, there's always a complete mess in the kitchen. Everything is just so distorted, and my mother's like, God, I would have cooked, that would have been better. So that is what I got this idea from, and I was really in a very jumpy mood that day. So I just thought of writing it, and today I'm in a good mood again, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. If you can tell me how to improve my poetry skills, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you find out that the poetry was good and I should keep on posting more poetry, then please tell me. I'll be posting them on the other channel that I have, and will be not missing out poetries because they're very close to my heart and yours, maybe. Poetry and music are like the essence of life. They've been giving me so much of peace over the years and so much of liveliness. Means all the scheduling because of our academics and all the sports and all the other things, but poetry and writing and music and dance, they're amazing ways to express yourself, amazing ways to present yourself and to cool yourself down. So please let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not, and please let me know your comments on poetry. Bye bye.